Glycerin, the super ingredient found in natural organic soap. Do you have dry or sensitive skin? Try switching to soap with high glycerin content. Glycerin is a natural sugar alcohol derived from plant sources. It has a high viscosity level and is used in many health and skincare products like soap, lotions, and shampoos. The reason why glycerin has become a staple organic soap ingredient is because of its incredible benefits, including the following. Moisturizing the skin. Glycerin is considered a humectant. This means that it naturally attracts moisture and stores it deep within your skin to keep it hydrated for longer. Compared to commercial soaps that may leave your skin feeling dry and flaky, the best organic soap with high glycerin content will leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. Anti-aging. The moisturizing power of glycerin helps with delaying signs of aging. Besides minimizing the possibility of developing wrinkles, it also helps maintain the skin's elasticity. As a result, the skin will not sag or show common aging side effects. Rather, it will remain nourished, plump, and youthful. Being compatible with sensitive skin. Experts recommend people with high sensitivity to switch to natural organic soap. Unlike their commercial counterparts, this type of soap contains only natural and organic ingredients, free of chemicals and additives, making it gentle on the skin. Managing inflammatory issues. In addition to being compatible with sensitive skin, glycerin is also a beneficial ingredient for people with skin conditions such as rashes, psoriasis, and eczema. Healing. If you have blemishes, scratches, or wounds, you can also apply glycerin products to your skin to promote natural skin cell maturation. Glycerin has antimicrobial properties that protect the skin from bacteria and repair it for a speedy healing process. Organic soap products with high glycerin content. Glycerin soap. This is a translucent soap that makes use of all natural ingredients. It doesn't contain alcohol or synthetic chemicals that can irritate the skin. Because glycerin is a natural byproduct of plant oils, this type of soap is also vegan and eco-friendly. As such, it's also sustainable. Castile Soap. Much like glycerin soap, Castile Soap is made with only natural plant-based ingredients and essential oils. It comes in both liquid and bar forms, which can be used for a multitude of purposes, ranging from house cleaning to skincare. For this reason, many have dubbed this product a miracle soap. Goat's milk soap. This soap has a glycerin base extracted from goat's milk and coconut oil. Although glycerin in itself already has moisturizing properties, it's enhanced further by the healthy fats found in goat's milk soap. When you switch from commercial soap to organic soap, you will reap the benefits and see an incredible difference in your skin.